What's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby and today I'm very happy because I finally got my Jackie Aina Forever Mood candles. Y'all, I have been waiting for this for almost a month, but yeah, they here and I finally got them and I'm excited because everybody's always talking about how good they are. So I ordered these during the pre-sale on her birthday, August 4th, August 6th, I don't know, but it's finally here. It's finally here. I got all 4 candles. I wasn't able to get the bundle because, okay, so let me tell you what Jackie did. Okay? So Jackie told everybody to sign up for the pre thing, right? And you're supposed to subscribe and make sure that you subscribe so that you are able to get early access, right? So I'm like, cool. The day of the launch, I'm like, all right, I'm watching the clock. I didn't check my email. I didn't check Instagram. I ain't checking that. I'm not looking at my email. I'm not looking at Instagram. I'm looking at the clock, trying to make sure I don't miss the minute the site launches so that I can get the bundle deal. Probably 5 minutes before the site launches, I go to the website and it's like, enter a code. And I'm like, a code? There's like a password or something like that. I'm like, password? What password? She didn't give me no password. So I'm like, what the heck? So I'm like, okay, maybe it's my email because, maybe like, when she's like, when you subscribe, put your email and everything like that. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's my email. Put my email in? Nah. I'm like, what the heck? Put my email in again? Nah. 4 minutes to the website launches. I'm like, what the heck? So I'm like, what am I supposed to do? I got kind of mad. And I was just like, what the hell? She didn't give me no password. What the hell is this? So I was like, man, I'm like panicking. By the time the site launches, I go to Forever Mood's page. And then it's like, of course she has the pictures and everything. But I'm not looking at the pictures. I go to direct message. And I'm like, Jackie, what password? Where is the password? Where are we supposed to access this password? So while I'm waiting on her to tell me what the password is, so I'm like, all right, I might as well scroll through the feed or whatever. So I saw there was a new picture. Click on the picture. Then she's like, oh, all the people that signed up for the early access, make sure you check your emails for the password. Why didn't you tell me this yesterday? But anyway, I was still able to get all 4 candles. And I think with the bundle deal it was like $125, but all the candles separately was like $140. So it wasn't that big of a deal, but I wish I could have got the bundle because that box was cute. Anyway, let me take these candles out this box and then I'll be right back. I do want to say one thing though. Everybody is like, oh, you don't even have to open the box before you can smell it. I don't smell anything yet. I smell cardboard. Okay, well if I smell like down here, then I can kind of smell it but that's what the box is. It's opened at. But yeah, so that's a lie. All them people talking about you can smell it before you even open it. No, you can't. No, you can't. Stop lying. But okay, so which one should we start with first? Let's start with cuffing season. Cuffing season is a tropical rainforest scented candle. So on the back of this it says cuffing season, grab a boo and set the mood. Scent details is top, fresh ozone, salty lemon, mineral citrus. The heart is iris, violet, and jasmine. The base is Douglas fir, rainforest moss, and white cedar. It's 10 ounces. Burn time is 65 hours. 100% natural coconut soy wax. And the throw is moderate. Made in California, eco-friendly and organic, paraben and sulfate free. When you open the box, it looks like that, and then the candle comes out like this. Another thing about this box I want to mention is that it has like kind of like a texture to it. I don't know what this is, but it's not like, I don't know. It's not like a rough texture. It's a smooth texture, but it's not like just regular cardboard. It's something over this that kind of makes it have like a softer feel to it. So, okay. That's a little bit where your money is going, because that box is, I'm sure the box was expensive. All right, so let's go ahead and smell Cuffing Season and see what she actually smells like. This is very fresh. It's a very, very fresh smelling candle. Let me see what the notes are again. Oh, they don't have it at the bottom. I guess they only have it on the box. Okay, so lemon, yes, I can smell the lemon and the citrus. I guess the rainforest moss is what makes it have that fresh kind of smell. You know how sometimes like on a rainy day, you go outside like in the morning, like right after it's done raining, that kind of like crisp air smell. It's kind of what this candle smells like. It's kind of like just that fresh, crisp, clean, kind of airy smell. But then I can also smell the lemon because I can smell like a little bit of the citrus in it as well. I don't really know about the violet and the jasmine though. But yeah, for this one, I would definitely say it's a very fresh smelling candle, and it has like the hints of the lemon and the citrus smell for me is what I'm getting from it. This smells really good. I can see how this would be a nice little thing to light up with your boo-boo and, you know, chill back and watch a movie or something. All right, the next one I want to do is Caked Up. Now, this one, I was kind of hesitant to get it because okay, let me be honest. The only reason I got this is because I wanted the full collection. That's the only reason I got this candle. If I didn't want the full collection, I wouldn't have gotten this candle. Just because of how it's described. I really don't like candles that smell like food, if that makes sense. Like, except the Red Velvet Cake candle from Bath & Body Works. That's my jam. But like when it was like the cake and all that kind of stuff, like when I think of cake, I automatically assume birthday cake, and then I don't want my house smelling like birthday cake. But this one is a pistachio cake frosting scented candle. So this one, the scent details say the top is roasted pistachio, almond cream, and pineapple. The heart is honey, jasmine, and coconut. And the base is vanilla bean and musk. So we'll see how this one is. Oh, another thing, on the actual candle itself, it has like a matte kind of finish on the candle, and then the lids, as I'm seeing, are all gonna be the same kind of lid, the same gold. Okay, yes, this smells really good. This smells really good, but it's just very sweet. Yeah, I can see this being in like if you have a beauty room in your house, or like if you have a big closet to where, like, you know, you light candles in your closet, because some people do that. If you light candles in your closet, this will be a really cute kind of scent. But yes, this is a very girly scent as far as the sweetness of it. I'm not really smelling the musk as much as I would have liked to smell it, because I feel like if there was more musk, then it would kind of like balance out the sweetness of the candle. But yeah, this smells really good. It smells really good, but it's just really sweet. I can smell the almond cream. Yeah, I can definitely smell the almonds. And the vanilla. Is it vanilla in here? Yeah, vanilla bean. Yeah, I don't really smell the musk. I can smell the almond and the vanilla off the top. Like, that's what I'm getting the most of. I'm trying to see if I can get the pineapple smell, but I don't really smell pineapples. Yeah, I don't really smell pineapples, but that could be just another thing that was added in there to make the sweeter smell. So yeah, this one though, the throw is bold. So on Cuffing Season, the throw was moderate, but this one is bold, and I can see that because this one has a stronger smell, and it's like I said, it's very sweet. So if sweet candles, because I know for some people, if the candle smells too sweet, it can kind of give them a headache, and I feel like I keep smelling this, I might get a headache. But yeah, if you don't really like really sweet smells, then I wouldn't recommend getting this one. But it still smells really good. Like I'm as you can see, I can't stop smelling it. It smells really good, but it's just really sweet. But it's really good. Next, we're gonna do Matcha Business. And this one is a matcha hazelnut latte scented candle. So for Matcha Business, the top is hazelnut coffee, almond cream, and honey. The heart is coffee and lavender, and the base is vanilla. The throw for this one is bold. So I'm assuming this one has a very powerful smell. Oh, wow. This smells good, man. This one is probably my favorite one so far. This smells delicious. The hazelnut, yep. The coffee, you can smell it. The vanilla, the honey, the almond milk. This one, I would say, this one you can smell everything. I can even smell the lavender in this. This one I would say is the most, well, it says that the throw is bold. So this one, you can smell the most scents out of all of the candles thus far. This one, yeah, is the most bold in this one. And I can see how, I think this is the candle that she was saying is kind of like a masculine smell, because I can see that that a guy would like this candle. Like if you have a boyfriend, or if you're married, or you know, whatever your situation is, if you have a guy that likes candles as well, I would definitely get him this one, because this one is definitely a smell that guys would like, and like to have in their house and not like and not have somebody come over and be like, what girl is in your house? Yeah, this one, so far, this one is the best one. Finally, we have Left on Red, which is in the purple. This one is a, oh wait. This one is a coconut caramel scented candle. Scent details are, the top is tropical fruit, the heart is coconut and coconut milk, and the base is caramel. So this smells like it'll smell, I mean, it sounds like it'll smell very good. And the throw is moderate. So let's see what we can smell in this one. Also, I just want to point one thing out. Even though all of these candles are different and all of them are, you know, have their own kind of thing going on with them, I love how she did the colors. Like they all coordinate together. Oh man. Oh wait, hold on now. Okay, well, I thought Matcha Business was my favorite, but no, this smells like I want to eat this. This one is really good. This one is really good. You can smell the caramel. You can smell the tropical fruit. You smell the coconut. This is bae. This is bae. This is bae. This is bae, okay? This one is, if you don't get any candle, get this one, okay? And if you want to get two, get this one and get this one, okay? Because this is delicious. This smells amazing. It just smells good. It smells yummy. It smells like, this is a candle that I would have in a front room of a house. So as soon as somebody walks in, they smell this, that's it. They're gonna be like, dang, what kind of candle? What kind of smell you got going on in your house? I'm sorry. The whole video is gonna be me just sitting here sniffing candles. This one is, yeah, this one is the best one. So for me, if I had to rank these from favorite to least favorite, I would have to say Left on Red, of course, is number 1. Matcha Business is a very close number 2. Very, very, very close number 2. I would say, yeah, this is a very close number 2 and a number 1 if I was a guy, or if I was trying to buy something for a guy. This would be the number 1 for him. And then Cuffing Season would be number 3. And then Caked Up would be number 4. I feel like y'all already knew. I feel like y'all already knew what the order was going to be just from me like describing the candles and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you got, oh, I think individually as well, I think they were $35, $36 each, I believe. I don't know, like I said, I ordered them a couple weeks ago, but yeah, make sure that you go ahead and support Black business, Jackie and Dennis, the power couple, making moves, starting businesses together. You know, it's a lovely thing. We love to see it. We love to see it, Jackie. Thank you, Jackie and Dennis, for creating these candles. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.